Crypto billionaires 69 back with another. This is not daily into technical analysis, my friends. This is futures. Alright, this might look like complete craziness to you, and that's normal, okay? That's okay. But once you get the hang of reading these charts, it is quite simple, my friends. Currently, let me explain what's going on. So we have this price. We are currently in a downtrend, major red candles, and we are watching these levels now. So if we see a push higher than this 865 level with volume, with green and gold pushing higher on the time and sales, that means we will buy in with 3 to 5 contracts. All right. Now, futures is different than crypto. This is day trading. So day trading is you get in and you get out. Now, it depends on which trade you are taking, okay? Depending on the time. So this candle, we should see a major move to the upside or the downside here. So honestly, I am hoping it breaks to the upside. I'm hoping we have it up this way. There we go. It is going. So as it goes higher, we are looking at these 865 levels over here. So look for the 865s. Watch and see if it's the asks are stacking up, and we will indeed. If it breaks through that 865, we will buy 3 contracts and wait for it to move. So we are staggering right now. We are not seeing much movement or volume like we saw at the beginning of the trading day. However, we are just watching at the moment. Now when I'm watching this, okay, this right here. Also watching this here, and I'm watching these candles. Here we go. It is moving up towards those 865s. However, there we go. Watch here. 865s. There we go. Come on. It's at the 5-3s. You can see how there's a lot of numbers going on. It looks crazy, but once you really watch, and you'll start to see patterns. So the red on the time and sales, that is it hitting the bid. Boom, 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 boom. It's hitting the bid. That means these are all the transactions that go through that are set, okay? So we can see it's at 42, 41 levels, 40 in the pink, hitting down there. 44, we're moving up. 42, 42, it's hitting the ask now. 38, we're moving down. We're holding around these 40 levels. So pretty much what this is for, those golds, right? What is that gold? Okay, that means people are buying above the ask. The pink is people buying below the bid. Now, what's the ask and the bid? The bid is the red, the ask is the buy, okay? This is what the sellers want or the buyers want to sell their stuff for to get the most profit, and this is what the sellers want to sell their stuff for to get the most profit. So it's a constant war in between those two prices. Now, we aren't seeing much volume and movement to the upside. I really want to see this just blow through it, because once it goes, it should just go. Now we're probably going to see some selling pressure around these 908 levels. We saw a bunch of pink there and a bunch of gold moving up. There, it's at the 50 levels. We really want to watch close. All right, it's moving up. 60, it's 64, 62, 63, 64. Hit that 65, hit that 65, hit that 65, hit that 65. I want to see it bust through that 65 with golds and greens. It didn't bust through. There was golds and greens, but it didn't bust through. All right, it's retracing back down now. 58s, 62s, 63s. It's holding, but it's not busting through that. Got to see it bust through. There's a bunch of golds, bunch of pinks. It's a major war. Major war. Okay, we're seeing it break through very slightly, those 65. Oh,
order filled.
There we go. We are in, my friends. So there, now it's moving 70s. We're in the 75s. Boom, 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 boom. 80s, 80s. You can see the profits down here or the losses. It depends on what you are doing. So we are going to watch up at these 9 levels and see how it reacts up at those levels, because it should hit up there. And we are going to sell the bid if it starts staggering a lot. So we want to watch these 87s in particular as it moves higher. 70s. It's got to give it some time now. Give it some time. There it's hitting those 87s, 84s, 86s, 87s, breaking through 87s, 89s. We are hitting the 89s, 90s, 90s. Oh, coming back down. Want to watch a bunch of pinks coming through, but it's pushing higher. 86s, 87s, 80. Oh, a bunch of golds, 90s. We have broken the 90s. All right, if it hits those,
order
and boom,
filled.
out. $153 just like that. Very simple, very easy, very efficient. And that was with a $1,000 portfolio. That's in a 10-minute trade, my friends. If that. This is 6-minute video. 6-minute video, in and out. $153. Now, we could have stayed in that as it's moving higher, right? Boom, it keeps going higher. It could. If I were trading this for real, 30 minutes, then you trade much differently, okay? However, I wanted to show you guys a little scalp trade. That's $153 right there in 6 minutes, okay? It's that simple, my friends. This is the power of futures, and this is why I literally made a 30-minute video the other day explaining how powerful this is going to be whenever we are in a downtrend like this. Okay, look at this candle. If it would stop lagging, please stop lagging. The candle we just traded on was that big. All right. Now, whenever a recession comes, we're going to see major moves like this. Now, if we made $153 off of this candle with only 3 contracts, we are going to make tens of thousands of dollars as it moves down in the recession. That's just how it's going to be. And it's going to be amazing, my friends. It's going to be amazing. So, if you are interested in learning futures, I have an application to see if you qualify, because this isn't for everyone, okay? So go down, fill out that application, and I will reach out to you, whether that be through phone number or through email. Most likely, I don't know, most likely email. So stay tuned for that. Sign up, and I will go over and see if you are a good fit. However, yeah, my friends, I'm thinking about starting up a little chat and a course so you guys can understand how to get this all set up. What is the time and sales? What is the Superdome level 2? You know, what are the 1-minute candles, 5-minute candles? How do you set it up with these indicators here? 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, and you have the volumes here. Bunch of good stuffs, my friends, and I will help you guys all out with that. So go sign up with the application. I want to see if you're a good fit. If you are, I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. So I'm super excited for this, my friends. Like, oh, it's insane how much money you can actually make. And it's not even about the money, okay? The only reason I even have the total P&L up, profit and loss up, is for you guys. Whenever I trade, I always make sure this is off. I don't ever want to watch this right here. I don't like looking at these dollar signs, okay? Because that will make you very emotional, okay? What is better to do is trade by the ticks. So, as you can see here, there was like 7.5, okay? That's how many ticks are going up. And you see how it's 25 to 50, 50 to 25, 0 to 25, 75. Each point 25 is 1 tick. So trading by that is much better for controlling emotions wise as to watching the dollar signs go up and down, because that is never good. It's never good, at least for what I found. See, we got out at the perfect time too. Right around these 9 levels where I was watching, these 90 levels where I was watching, we got out right at the top too. Isn't that a great trade right there? Now, let me go over why I thought it was a good reason to get out. So, this right here is the previous resistance around these 9 levels at the top of this red candle. Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. And, okay. Boom. Top of this red candle, much better. 9 levels, okay? Now, I saw it come up and hit those 9 levels. Boom, boom, boom each time. But it wasn't breaking. It wasn't breaking. It went up, hit it, came back down to like the 8 5s. Went back up, hit it again, came back down to the 8 5s. So the next time I saw it go up and hit it, I just sold. Because, you know, what happens 2 times is most likely going to happen the third time as well. Now look at this bearish engulfing candle that's coming in. Wow, we turned a nice that was a nice trade right there. And that was in 6 minutes. So, like I said, if you guys are interested, sign up in the application. I will have the link in the description. So go check it out. And yes, this is futures trading. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little video, and I hope this opens your mind to what's possible with futures trading. This was with a $1,000 portfolio, $153 in 6 minutes or so. So that's pretty good. Although it can get a lot better than that. It can also get a lot worse than that if you don't know what you're doing. But that's why I'm here to help you guys. Guide you guys through it all. Crypto Beaner 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.